Good mighty morning, owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Tuesday, April 27th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time to say our owl pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my owl pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDSL Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that happened yesterday. I saw scholars that were doing an amazing job in math. In third grade math, they were making sure to check what rule applied to their input-output tables. So, scholars, remember, check what rule applies to the whole table before you choose an answer. In fourth grade, I saw scholars that were looking at word problems and deciding what order of operation they would need to use. Then, once they had the order of operation, they needed to make sure they completed it, and they did it in a way that they could prove their answer. And in fifth grade math, amazing job, scholars. Keep up the good work. I saw you using your math operations to be able to figure out and solve different types of problems. Keep up the good work. In fifth grade science, you guys are talking about fossil fuel and how it is formed. Remember, when you're thinking about those things, remember to go to your notes when you can, and if not, remember those definitions you've learned. Scholars, we've seen some great things happening along in our classrooms, in our kinder classrooms. An amazing amount of scholars just tested into the first grade program. So nice job, kinder scholars. In pre-K, you've met your goal of 80 lessons in math this year. So keep on going so you can be ready for kindergarten next year, pre-K. So lots of great things happening. Amazing teachers working hard each and every day. So remember, every day counts. So come to school every single day. It is going to be an amazing day, and we'll see you in the classroom. Great day to learn. Hoot, hoot!